Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to get Korblox in Brookhaven. So I'm going to teach you how to get Korblox in Brookhaven. To get the Korblox in Brookhaven, you only need um, code right here. This code right here, I'm going to show you. So this is the code that you need. So the code is 931772868211086. So you just need to type it here in the ID right here. Roblox catalog ID, then hit on enter. There you go. As you can see, we have the color blocks right here. And if you want to change the color of your color blocks, you may choose any of this too right here. I'm just gonna switch it and we're gonna label it color. So here are the available colors here. We have the this color right here. We have the 929290743355762, and we have the 132477667698858. And if you want to put a headless also on your along with your code blocks right there, you can add the 15093053680 here. Now we're gonna add it and let's see. As you can see, we are also headless and we have the code blocks right there. So there you go, guys. So if you want more any of the codes, if you want more codes or stuff you want to ask and on Roblox, just type it on the comments below and we'll be happy to answer you. There, guys, I look cool right now. Thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.